Today on Design, Build, and Fix, another video showing you how to use SketchUp. Today's video is on the Follow Me tool. If you like the content, make sure you help me out, subscribe to the channel. All right, let's jump right into it. All right, so now we're going to show you actually how to use the Follow Me tool, and I do have to say this is one of my most favorite commands that we use in SketchUp. It gives you the ability to take a very dull looking cabinet and giving it some very nice molding or trim. If you're making columns, the application here is pretty much endless. All right, so in order for this to happen, the online SketchUp version compared to the SketchUp Pro version is different. In SketchUp Pro, you have to have a path and a profile, which is what we have here. But all you have to do is select the path in SketchUp Pro and then select your profile, and it automatically follows it. In SketchUp Online, it's slightly different. And here we'll show you how this actually works. All right, so basically we have a path and a profile. All I have to do is come over here to the Follow Me tool. If I click on this, it usually hides underneath the push-pull, and it's going to be this one here, so I'm going to grab it. And then all you have to do is take your profile and hold down the mouse, left mouse, and you're going to follow it all the way until the end of the path. And that's how the Follow Me tool works for that one. Now let's say, for example, we have this here where we have cabinets, and we have this kind of really ugly molding that's going to go around here. But here's how that process works. You're basically going to make sure that your profile that you've created has to be a closed entity, which means it can't be open. All right, so as you can see, it's shaded in now. It's white, but it's shaded in, and this will actually follow it. So I'm just going to grab it and drag it, and I'm just going to keep my arrow right on the line, so to speak, and it's going to continue to follow that as it comes back over, and then all the way finish it up. Should come back here, and if you take a look, we can zoom around and see what that did for us. All right, so it's a very powerful tool, so to speak. And then realistically, if you wanted to, you could cover the top in. So let's just go ahead and draw a line on here. Should close this off, and it covers that up. All right, so that's how you use the Follow Me tool in SketchUp. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, more videos coming out shortly. We'll see you on the next one.